What's up everyone, welcome to Tech Wisely. Today I'm going to unbox Sony Xperia XA1 Ultra. So without any further ado, let's see what comes in the box. These are startup guides. The USB adapter 1500 milliamp, headphones, and the Type-C USB cable. That's a camera shutter, the power button, volume keys, headphone jack is in the top, front LED flashlight, SIM card and micro SD card slot, the Type-C USB cable and the speaker in the bottom, rear LED flashlight and 23 megapixel camera. The Xperia XA1 Ultra was released in May 2017. It weighs 188 grams with the thickness of 8.1 millimeter. It comes with stock Android of 7.0 and is upgradable to 8.0 and audio. It has 4GB RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is expandable through micro SD card. I was expecting the battery to be over 3000 milliamp because it's a huge phone, but it comes only with 2700 milliamp. It has a super bright 6 inches display which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 4. It has a 1080 x 1920 pixels Full HD display. The primary camera, the rear camera, is 23 megapixel with face detection and autofocus and LED flash, with video recording of 1080p Full HD at 30 fps and stereo sound recording. The secondary camera is 16 megapixel, the front camera, and here are some pictures captured with Xperia camera. It doesn't have fingerprint sensor, but you can use face detection feature. Overall, it's a great mid-range phone, especially for big screen lovers. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in the next one.